Howdy folks, a quick little tutorial here on bypassing the neutral safety switch in a 1997 Jeep Cherokee. A similar procedure would work with a lot of other vehicles. This procedure, you're only going to want to use this for testing purposes or for an emergency situation. Better option is to get in there and clean out and repair your neutral safety switch or buy a new one. I know they're expensive, but the problem with this little jimmy rigged system is the starter motor will crank on in gear. It'll crank on in forward or reverse, and the car will move. So it might not start, but the starter motor itself will move, and you could have a expensive or dangerous or deadly situation take place. But all you need to do to bypass this is get yourself a piece of wire. This is a little piece of stainless steel. You could use a paper clip. I cut it to size, and you can see we've got 8 connections here. On this particular model, it's these bottom 2. Different Jeeps have different setups, different vehicles have different setups, but find out which ones will bypass the safety switch. Put that in, and then you could just start it now, but I used that piece of wire so I could get this whole connection back together. There we go. Well, let's go see what we got. Pretty sure it's going to work because it just worked for me a minute ago. You can see why I'm not too keen on getting in to the neutral safety switch. Garage is full of firewood, and I don't really want to climb underneath this thing. Got a couple inches of snow on the ground. There we have it. She starts right up. Before this little hack, I was getting nothing out of the key. Turn the key, I'd hear the relay pop on, so I knew that was okay. To get the vehicle home, I did the screwdriver trick, and that worked. And now, obviously, as is common with these old Jeeps, the neutral starter switch is the problem. Ignition's fine, relay's fine, starter's fine, starts right up, thanks to that hack. If I took that safety pin out of there, I would turn the key and get nothing. So a little emergency trick there. But again, you don't want to make that a permanent fix, because the starter motor will kick on while the car is in gear. A very dangerous situation. Take care. Peace.